Hello, everyone. You are welcome to 10-minute analysis in SQL. Today, I want to talk about case operator. Case operator is a conditional expression that allows you to perform if statements in SQL. Like Microsoft Excel, you also have if function. If function is a logical function that results into outcome, right? So we also have case operator in SQL. So let me show you how this works in a practical way. Today, I'll be working on my workbench, and I will be working on revision database. Now, I have a couple of data sets here, but today I'll be using student score table. So let's call the table out. So select all information from score, students scores. Let's run it. Like I always said, it's a best practice that you call out the table so at least you have an idea of what your data set looks like, right? And as you can see, I have student name, faculty, course code, and their scores. So what I want to achieve here is that, maybe my line manager just give me a task that, okay, this is the score of their exam. But, in school, environment, score doesn't really make a lot of sense. But when you assign grade to their score, it gives a lot of meaning, right? So what I want to do now is to assign their grade based on what they score in the last exam. So we can use case operator to assign or to achieve this kind of task. So how do we do that? So let's say select all their information, right? Then I'll start my conditional expression. Like I said, it's a conditional expression that allows you to perform if statement. So I'm going to say case when, so our condition will now be from 0 to 49, that's fail. So from 450 to 59, that would be pass. And from 60 to 73 would be credits. And from 75 to 100 would be distinction. So case score, when the score when the score is between 0 and 49, then I'll call it fail. Fail. That means the student didn't meet up. Then the score, when score between 50 and let's say 59. No, 50 and 59. Yes, 50 and 59. Then I'm gonna say pass. When score between that will now be 60 and 74. Then credits. And when score credits, when score between 75 and 100, then distinction distinction, right? From the students, from students, um, students score, right? Let's order it. Order by score. So in descending order. So what we've done essentially is that select all their information. So case when their score is so a student score is between this range, then fail when when the student score is 50 to 59 pass, then score when score my score is not correct. Score score is between 60 to um 74, then credit. And when score between 75 to 100, then distinction. From um students score, they will order by score. That's this order by score in descending order. And else, so if any student that doesn't meet up this criteria, then can now say maybe the person did not attend any of the exam. Can say no record, right? No record, then no record, then ends as their grade, right? So any student that doesn't fall in any of this category, that means maybe the person did not participate in the exam in the first place. Else, we give it no record, then we end it as their grade. So the grade will now be the column elder from student score, order by score in descending order. So let's run this. We have error. So why do we have error? It says the revision student score doesn't exist. Oh, okay. I guess there is a bit. Let me just make sure. Okay, my spelling. I wrote score instead of scores. So let's run it again. And we said the score table. I have a lot of error in my in my spelling here. Okay. Score, 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 and score. Okay, let's run it again. All right, we have our answer now. So that's one of the things about programming language. If you miss any little details, then you're going to get error. But the beauty of it is that your action output will always point out where the error is coming from. Then you can, make necessary modifications so that you can get the right output. So now this is a well-detailed, report. Now I've been able to assign their grade to each. So if you look at it, let's first do our quality assurance. All the distinction actually falls under from 75 to 100, right? Then you can see from 74, he assigned credits and so on and so forth for people that didn't meet up pass. And so this is pretty much, what you can do with case operator in SQL. And you can be versatile, be creative with it. It allows you to create your own conditional statement. So I hope you learned something today. And if you actually gain value for your time, and this is your first time, kindly hit the follow button. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you actually have a SQL topic that you would like me to cover on, and I'll be glad to do that. So thank you very much for watching to the end. My name is Tyler Johnson, and I'll see you next time. God bless you.